What's going on, guys? This is Taylor from Southwest Wheel Warehouse. Today we're going to be looking at the BT122E. This is going to be our 5-lug hub kit for a 1-inch spindle. This will fit most of the Dexter, Alco, Lippert Hayes axles. This will not fit a marine style axle. You can see right here, this is the box you get it in. It's got a nice logo on there. We'll pop this open. We got our small parts here. And we're going to have our hub here. We can see this hub is going to be the 5-lug hub using our 1/2-inch studs. Braces are already pressed in on both sides. Then we can see roughly this is going to be 6 inches wide. From the base to the top is going to be about 2 inches, and then from outside to outside it's going to be right about 2 1/4. Then we can see here, we'll pull our small parts out. And we're going to get 2 Timken bearings. One inner, one outer. These are going to be the 44643s. These are the Timken stamp, made in the US bearings. You can see right here, it's wrapped up nice and neat. Then we're going to get our seal. And our seal is going to be 1 1/4 on the inside and 1.9 on the outside. We're going to get our 5 1/2-inch cone style lug nuts. And we're going to get our grease cap, and this is just going to pop on right there. And that's pretty much it, guys. That's the BT122E-2K.